Rascal in the stand. Dear colleague, sorry to have missed